Security guard hit with USD 300 penalty for criticizing Mnangagwa on WhatsApp. The 4th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, BITBRIDG. A municipal security guard has been fined USD 300 after being convicted of undermining the authority of President Emmerson Mnangagwa in a video that went viral on WhatsApp. Ezekiel Kairedza, 35, appeared before Baitbridge Regional Magistrate Charity Mafosa, where he denied the charges but was found guilty following a full trial. The court initially sentenced him to 6 months in jail, which was later commuted to a USD 300 fine. Prosecutor Wilbrot Mulaya told the court that Kairedza recorded the controversial video last year, in which he insulted both President Mnangagwa and the introduction of the Zimbabwe gold, ZVAITWA, currency. The video quickly circulated across WhatsApp groups and other platforms before some members reported it to authorities. Investigations traced the clip back to Kairedza, leading to his arrest. The ruling has sparked fresh debate over freedom of expression in Zimbabwe. Supporters of the judgment argue it protects public figures from ridicule, while critics say it is yet another reminder of the risks ordinary citizens face when engaging in political commentary online. As digital platforms continue to play a central role in Zimbabwe's political discourse, the case underscores the fine line between free speech and criminal liability under the country's laws.